All right.
That one now.
Okay.
To back for the same bathroom. Hey. Na palava. Share the same toilet.
Yes.
I think we have to call the JRB. Brother.
Yes.
Brother me. See, caretaker, he don't bring wahala to this house. Felix, he don't come back. They don't pack home.
That is what exactly we are discussing, me and K Factor. You see, I think we should give him the chance to change.
My brother. So our house don't turn to change the room.
That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that we should give him the chance to change. You see, Felix has promised to be of good behavior. So what else do you want? You have done worse things. So what are you talking about?
Hey, my brother. Hey, Asanke.
Let's go away, cry.
All right, sir. Yeah. Okay, you go. I want to see my brother.
Yes, what is it?
I think you want.
I will see you later.
Give me some money. I say
I will see you later.
If I don't take her, I no go go.
Stay there.
Make it switch off. Don't do anything.
Stay there.
Go and eat your lunch. I go eat if you give the thing where they ask you.
Better grow up.
Amen. No go. I won't give you. No go.
Call the service, make them come serve us more now.
Oh, come. Didn't they play music for this place?
And they play now.
I don't dance a lantern before.
Music! Give us music! This place is too dull now. I don't like it. I go change my bed, so.
In fact, next time again, we will go inside that club. You know, club waiting for inside the
Bad Beach.
Bad Beach.
The club where they inside water.
That one where they say
That music now, hippopotamus music.
Madam Isa, this needle instant full cream, I go need them. Then Maclean herbal toothpaste, I go need them. No be today, maybe by tomorrow when money day. And this waiting they call Indomie for later. If person no send anything to cook, you know say they easy. I go need them.
The money come cook.
It's alright. Hey, Madam Isa, I beg, if person won't become Muslim, what make I talk through now me? If I won't become Muslim, how I go take dua?
To now why you want become Muslim to go?
Fine. I hear say Alaja Luban Kudi, he don't they give people 70% of the money to Mecca.
So now because of the money when they give us Moko go Haji, now I want become Muslim Kawai Kena. Babankoro, you are done become religion prostitute Kawai. So we no one tell you come.
But remember, during fasting period, Ajani be turned to Muslim.
Nala. Ajani no pass at all.
That's true. Ajani no fast because of Sahara food. We did for mosque. He say we go talk saying fast. You go mosque. If they bend down, you go bend down. If they stand up, you go stand up. When they give them Sahara food, into they take.
Allah yes. So that the two Ajani go there do that time Kena. Babankoro, I tell you Turuko, you and Ajani na religion prostitute and na God go punish you people. Allah, see that is why you see every day when I believe the big, it be like saying na prosper. So you people are they enter here. Now you I say because of money I want to Muslim. Tomorrow then they divide the money for church. You go say you want to become Christian. Then Allah maka they go make I come out for this place. Maka ya go mana. Idiot kawai. Gwangwason. Kajiba. Somebody just like that, but because of money, say one turn to Muslim. It don't turn religion prostitute. So if tomorrow again I turn Muslim, tomorrow then they give you money for church, you go down, go church, go collect money, say be Christian. Tap this world at the church, unlike here.
Hi, Caro the Caro. Hey, Caro, this is not talking Abina Nama. This talking big pass. How do you manage? How you go teach me how to make this kind of stew now?
Felice, why be say anytime when you see me say I dey cook? Now that thing when I dey cook, I go dey hungry you. If you want all this kind of thing, go outside, go buy now. You know they outside.
Hey, Caro, you know say now you get one spirit where they connect two of us together. Now you don't know. But Caro, make you just give me small. I might just take eat my bar, yeah? I beg.
See your life. You see as your life bend. You go want something, you no go talk. Instead, you go dey go conny. Eh? See, man, I tell you, Felix, I know the like person with the thief. Anybody no fear ball. Adiona. I know they like her. They hear me so? No near my soup.
Karina, just because I beg you say make you give me small soup now, man take eat it back. Eh? Now you don't because now they call me all this kind of name.
I say no near my soup.
You don't forget me. Now Felix, so make I just tell you, no condition is permanent. Oh, I just tell you.
Mr. Conditioner, I don't hear yeah. No near my soup, simple. I won't go toilet.
Hey.
You don't tell what this thing they do me. No near them, I tell you.
No problem, just go. Make I look after the stew, yeah?
Don't go again.
You go piss for your pan too.
Leave her. I not consign you. I go near my soup, I go there.
You won't carry the thing, keep there. You see, I tell you, you go piss.
Please come, get what I want to tell you.
For where?
To outside.
Why now? I don't know which kind of TV that now. You won't carry me come out so that you go lock the kitchen.
Yes.
Why?
Come on, they go.
You don't make you stop that kind of nonsense. So. Now because I beg you this way. Can I do it upon your hand though? This guy wicked though. I never see this kind of talking before. Where I go get this in now? My mom will call herself and not go fit do the cook self. I be I go my place.
That one na kiss you.
This face me and face your house because kata.
Inside face to face, you laugh tire. Cause she get plenty. I'm a bumbo. Then go talk say, one day we go build a house for Victoria Garden City. Face to face, come on, man.
This face me and face your house because
Kata trouble day everywhere day and night. Face to face. For this country.
this face
Why you put your teeth on my domot na wahala every day fight. Face to face.
another way of life.
Landlord and tenants.
This face me and face your house because kata.
Brother and sister.
They worry me where. I never even see money to pay for hospital bill now. As I stay here. Even my house rent they wait for me for house. I never pay. Hey. You see, if you see me, you believe how I feel it. As I be so, you see me, I don't reduce. So if you look on, you go ask questions. True. Na so they do me. Okay. Now the money I want now. And because I get a lot of things now I will pay for. I know my $2,000. Thank you. But mommy, thank you, No, I will send the person details. I will send them to you. I'll text them to you for phone so that you feel send. You know, Saturday hospital, I don't feel come over hospital go collect money now. Okay. Thank you so much. Hey, I love you. I love you very much. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye. Ajani, you be lizard. Why they shake your head like Agama?
I love you Agama. Abi Agama.
Are you sabi?
Come, Caro. Why you dey lie? All those heavy lie where you dey blow now. Why you dey lie, Caro?
I say give me go give me. Don't let me go have money by calling. What you concern my life now?
It concern me, Caro. Your life, it concern my own. As you dey blow lie, say you sick now. If you God come put it, every disease, every sickness, come put am for your body, nko?
Ajani?
Yes, ke?
Now you God go put disease, sickness for him body. Not be me, God forbid. Which kind of come this one?
Make you no first. Not be say I dey fight you. I just dey advise you. Say no good. Make a person dey blow lie. Make you no first. Caro. Make you no first. Anyway, sir, I fit go bank, go collect the money for you. I say I fit go bank, go collect the money for you. You dey laugh?
Yes. Ajani.
Caro.
You get bank?
Bank?
You know bank?
I know bank, plenty bank. Yes, ke?
How you want to go collect the money? How you go take sign? You get signature?
Yeah! I get signature past signature itself. Yes. You see?
Which bank you know?
Me, I don't open my first bank for Agbomagbe Bank. They never born you.
Agbomagbe?
For Agbomagbe Bank. Yes.
Agbomagbe Bank now you for open. I go to wait and want.
Come, not the Agbomagbe.
Ajani, leave me now.
Agbomagbe Bank.
I don't hear.
Come. If I go bank, go collect money back, come, you go see me. Yes.
Okay, I don't hear.
Me too go get here.
Don't be only share. I go share you like Ilichi. Pieces so.
Caro. Boto. Hey! You get 419. God. Now God go save men from those guests where they for that day so. $2,000. Guy! You can go ask Nike how much that one will be. Yes, $2,000. $2,000. Na money. Na money. I go ask Nike how much that one will be.
To bat for the same bathroom, hey, na palava. To share the same toilet, face to face is another way of life for this country. This face me and face your house because kata.
How so this man where you reach now?
I'll bury on them.
Let's touch this man where you.
Èrò ọjà ọlọ́mọ jà lólójà ẹ̀sìn kan
Now which can you hear somebody somewhere you go to sing now?
When you go come by sing here, sing. Which one be your own?
You won't tell me say you never hear when I talk say my oil don't reduce since.
Hey, Ebe.
Rabanini. But that's not talk. When I want to touch your oil. You know you dey here now. What you gonna reduce this oil?
When me and you dey here and come gbara ye by me. I no touch your oil. Karo, you want my wahala o? You want my wahala o?
You not touch my oil.
I say I no touch am.
Okay. Person will touch this my oil. He not go die. In fact, death go reject himself. But he go sit down for one place. He go the toilet for there. He go the piss for there. He go the chop for there. He go the drink for there. Disgrace go the follow am.
Caro.
He head don't go waiting.
Now waiting. The amount when you dey take prayer, when prayer never answer, make you no dey take am with the suya.
Hey!
God himself, he hates suya.
Iyamukuro. I don't just tire for this compound.
Wetin?
This house will be say person they use general kitchen. Person no get in your kitchen. I don't tire. Because people will be say suffer head don't turn their back to front. They don't thief tire so they now all year now they call the thief now.
Then thief your oil.
And God go save you now.
Felicity. Abeg, come. Felicity. Nobody. E don tey wey I dey find you say make I see you. I want to make me and you do business together.
Make me and you do business together.
Yes, guy.
To do business with you know say na calamity. Make me, Felix, do business with you. So that when the money don't come now, fight, now we will take ourselves, go report to police.
So, forget that one, John. Make we talk better, Jare. As well as dey for holy month now, we fit take and sub credit.
Which one be credit now? No be if you go there, go buy something, you go take your hand pay.
You know, say Malayisa, you know they like to sell credit. I want to make me and you go meet Malayisa, tell her, say, make it help us. Oh, your mama sick for village, yo. As you be new tenant, if he agree.
Now your mama na in the sick. Ajani, in fact, now your grandmama na in the sick. Make me a get over and say, my mama they sick. See the matter way you take keep that kind of thing. Okay. Ajani, I don't say you know they pity me.
Say.
You notice say 419 people chop my money, take all my car, take my house. You still want to come with me for trouble? Chai, make you jump under yourself and I just come up from here now.
Make you know first. I don't know, so you don't turn yourself to Christian.
You know that you know see wetin Madam Isa right for you in front of his shop.
Waiting he right.
He said no credit until after Hajj. Go buy.
Wetin that one coming? Now one for you, Tef. That one now one for you, Tef.
See, Abroka. No, me you go come do business. It doesn't wear somebody look at clean boy like me make I come do business with the firewood cutter.
Obonio kwa. Obonio.
So you see, make you ponder yourself that just.
I bet carry yourself go throw away for Kaga.
Any the way you see me well road, you go you tell me about that business again, you go see me.
You?
See I with the business. See I like it.
Me. You go see me for this compound. You don't know me. You go see me for this compound. I don't get out. Oh boy, I think say you go enter. You know.
Isa! Felix!
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Keep Pacto. Babonguru. Man of God. Gaskiya you look point today wallahi. Saboda haka what are they celebrate today I know. Moshoriro aladami adugo. Moshoriro aladami adugo. I am a singam.
Alama jigale.
Madalla.
Dodo samiro do.
Allah kwa.
Ala sororo.
Aladami adugo. Wallahi. Maka enjoy. Why maka enjoy? Why Allah. myself. Make myself enjoy this one.
Yes.
And then Allah, me I go thank all of you for the love what I give me.
Thank you.
Madallah.
No mention.
Kuma as a Muslim, Hajj is not important for me. Yawa, because the Quran talk about, say if you get money, make you go do Hajj. Yawa, and if you not get money, you not put to go Hajj, no be by post.
Thank you.
Yes.
Malam, you see, my friends, religion, according to Karl Marx, is the opium of the masses.
Then Allah make you forget the book matter. Then Allah, haba. It is if we dey follow book, you go put us God name.
Yes, it is.
Say make I tell you, all this thing where book they talk na life. I even thank God. They say God understand one language. Yes. Because even not white man for kill them say even Jesus na white man.
God forbid.
Yes.
But you see, Malam, Isa, as you dey go make her now, I beg, we dey beg you, make you pray for Nigeria.
Yes.
And pray for all of us.
Make you and no worry.
Baby,